How are you guys? I see the excitement fading when I come onto the stage. Come on, guys. You idiot. This is what my wife told me when I spoke the truth. Do I look like an idiot? Even if so, please tell a lie. Because there are many advantages of lying. Once there was a big commotion outside my house. You know, children were making a lot of noise. I said, what's going on? Whoever tells the biggest lie gets a prize. I was furious. You children should never tell lies. In fact, I never told a single lie in my entire life. There was a pin drop silence. They said, Uncle, you win, you take the gift. So, when I was small, I wanted to become something big. So what I did, my prayers were answered. I definitely became big. So that's why they say, always don't lie while praying. I actually wanted to become rich and famous. So always ensure that your prayers are done in a correct way. I didn't know what to do. So what I did, I went to the library. I started reading books of Mahatma Gandhi, Martin Luther King. And once I realized they became famous after death, I said, I'm not in a hurry. I changed my mind. And like Newton, I sat under a mango tree thinking, how can I become famous? Suddenly a mango fell on my head. I went crying to house with an ointment on my head. But no ideas came. So someone told me, you have to read books, motivational books. How many of you read Rich Dad, Poor Dad? Oh, quite a few. Blessed are those who didn't raise your hands. Let me tell you why. I heard the reviews. They were excellent. I brought 2 books. One for me, one for my son. How to become a rich kid. Once when I read few pages, I immediately called back home. I said, I'm coming back to India once for all. This happened 10 years back. And still, another 10 years, I have no intention of coming back to India. The author, he became from a millionaire to a billionaire. And all the billionaires who read his book became millionaires. So what I did, depressed, I walked into the bookstore. Someone told me, you have to read this bestseller, The Secret. So I secretly brought that book, took it seriously to house, read it secretly, and today I'm going to share that secret with all of you, knowing that you will keep this secret as a secret only. The secret is, once you read this book, you will get what you want and what your heart desires. What actually happened, you know? The author got what he wants, money, and fame as he desires. But for us, we will stay like that only. So these self-help books are very dangerous. We have to think twice before buying any books. How many doctors are here? Can I have a show of hands? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay. They say in life, you should not lie to 2 people, lawyers and doctors. But they don't say doctors should not lie. We should tell the truth, but it's not necessary that they should tell the truth. Once I went to the doctor, he said, you have pulmonary obstructive syndrome and you should take this tablets QID. I did not understand what he meant. I don't know if he understood also. So actually it is, I had cold. He said, take these tablets every 4 hours. So if they cannot convince us, they will try to confuse us. Now, doctors have a specialty languages. I also wanted to become a doctor, but I failed with honors. You know what they told me? your handwriting is too good to qualify as a doctor. Because by seeing the first letter, you should be able to say what it is. So I failed with honors. Generally, when you go to the doctors, they will tell you one thing. This needs to be treated right away. You know what it means? It means, let me treat it before it cures by itself. That's what it actually means. The second one is, he'll say, well, what have we got over here? That means he doesn't have a clue what it is, and he's waiting for you to give him a clue what it is. This is the third one for you, the audience. I want you to take a guess. We need to look at your medical history. What does it mean? I want you to take a guess. We need to, not the doctors, everyone other than the doctors need to do that. We need to look at the medical history, what it could be. Run your imagination. No answers? Previous reports, okay? What they actually mean is, I need to ensure that you have paid your bills for all the previous visits before I spend time with you. That's what they actually mean, medical history. So be careful, remember these things when you go to the doctor, and so you know what exactly they mean. And lying is also very important. Now, to be a successful liar, there are some 3 principles which I want to share with you. First thing, look straight into the eyes of the person. Initially, if you have a problem, use sunglasses, but look straight into the eye and lie. Second one is lie consistently. Whatever you say it once, twice, third time, let someone else say it on your behalf. So you ensure that you lie consistently. The third one, lie with an innocent face. Look at C. Sriniva's face. He has an innocent face, right? Keep the face like that. Then, even if you lie, they will trust you. So these are the 3 principles you need to follow when you're lying. Now, the other day, lying can also save you from dying. My wife wore a dress and asked me, how do I look in this dress? Guess what my answer was? Any guesses? She asked me, how do I look in this dress? Any answers? You're beautiful. See, this gentleman already learned the art of lying. So, lie consistently, and I'm sure you will be successful in your life. Thank you very much. You have been such a wonderful audience. Mind you, this is not a lie.